We're going to enter a formula that returns the date of the invoice number entered in cell B13. We've started our VLOOKUP formula, so we'll search for the invoice number in B13 in the range from A2 to E10. As we want to return the date, we'll type a 1 for the first column of the range. Google Sheets has said that the formula is invalid. Click on Suggestion Details to find out more about the error. Here we're told that we can only return a value to the right of the data that we're looking up. As the date is on the left of the invoice number in the table, the formula isn't working. However, Google Sheets has suggested that we use the match and index functions instead. Click on the tick to accept the suggestion. Thank you for watching. Contact us at Ancoris if you'd like to know more about Google Workspace.